Consumers' income is one of the most important determinants of demand for goods and services. The responsiveness of quantity demanded is response to a change in income is known as the income elasticity of demand. This measures the percentage change in demand over the percentage change in income. Basically, formula for income elasticity of demand is income elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in income. Applying in a mathematical symbol, epsilon y is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded over percentage change in y.
Income elasticity measures whether the product is inferior or normal. A good is considered a normal good if its elasticity is positive, which means that if income increases, more goods and services will be demanded. If it is greater than 1, then it is considered to be a luxury good. But if the elasticity is positive but less than 1, then it is a necessity good. Goods having a negative elasticity are inferior goods. By applying the formula of elasticity of demand, we will be able to determine the type of good. Using this hypothetical data as an example, this part shows that there has been an increase in income by 100 and the demand has increased by 8, giving us 20% change in income and 23% change in quantity demanded. Using these values, we are able to determine the income elasticity and the type of good. The good has a 1.15 income elasticity, which means that it is a normal good at the same time a luxury good. The cross-price elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a good to a change in price of another good. We can compute the cross-elasticity of the product using the formula. Cross-price elasticity of demand equals percentage change in quantity demanded of good X over percentage change in price of good Y. This helps us measure whether the good is a substitute or a complement or unrelated to other products. Complementary goods are goods that are used in conjunction with other goods. For instance, if the price of CD-ROM rises, the sales of computer fall. In this case, cross-elasticity of demand is negative. Substitute goods are goods that can be used in place of another, such that an increase in price of one good tends to increase the quantity demanded of its substitute good. For example, if the price of gasoline increases, its quantity demanded tends to decline and the demand for LPG will rise. In this case, where goods are substitute, cross-elasticity of demand is positive. Unrelated products have zero cross-elasticity. For example, the effect of changes in taxi fares on the market demand for cheese. This table shows us an example of substitute goods. An increase in price of gasoline will decrease its quantity demanded and its substitute demand will rise. Computing this, the cross-elasticity of gasoline and LPG is equal to the rate of change in demand for LPG over the rate of change in gasoline. 43% change in the quantity demanded for LPG divided by 16% change in the price of gasoline is equal to 2.69 elasticity coefficient. This means that a 1% change in price of gasoline is equal to 2.69% change in quantity demanded of LPG.